Tired of your engine misfiring and losing power because of dirty or clogged fuel injectors? First up, let's look at the FOXWELL JT200, a diagnostic tool designed to tackle engine misfires and rough idling. This tester is perfect for visualizing spray patterns and flow rates, which helps you pinpoint exactly which injector is failing before you spend money on replacements. It works with both 6V and 12V systems, making it versatile enough for your motorcycle and your car's MPI injectors. You should pick this up if you're a DIY mechanic who wants to see the actual performance of your fuel system components in real time. Imagine hooking this up to a sputtering bike and immediately seeing a weak spray pattern that confirms you just need a deep clean. It is a high quality diagnostic piece that takes the guesswork out of fuel system maintenance and ensures your engine runs smoothly. Next, at number 2, we have a universal kit that offers a more hands on approach to DIY fuel injector cleaning. This tool features 8 different pulse modes and a dual channel design, allowing you to work on 2 injectors simultaneously to save you valuable time. It comes with 8 adapter sizes and a 12V 5V output, ensuring it fits almost any injector you might encounter in your home garage. This is a great choice for hobbyists who want peace of mind, especially since it includes a 3-year warranty and professional online support for guidance. You can use the various pulse settings to break up stubborn deposits that a simple pour-in cleaner might miss during a standard maintenance cycle. It is a solid, reliable kit for anyone looking to restore engine response without paying for an expensive visit to a professional shop. Now, for number 3, we are stepping up to the CT450, a professional grade machine designed for GDI and FSI 6-cylinder engines. This upgraded ultrasonic cleaner features a high-definition color display that makes navigating its various testing modes incredibly intuitive and easy for anyone to learn. It offers multiple voltage options like 12V, 70V, and 120V to handle a wide range of modern vehicle requirements and injector types. This is the ideal setup for a serious home shop or a small garage that deals with complex direct injection systems on a regular basis. You can drop your dirty injectors into the ultrasonic bath and watch the HD screen as the machine cycles through its specialized cleaning phases. It is a comprehensive solution for restoring fuel efficiency and smoothing out a shaky idle on modern high-performance vehicles. Coming in at number 4 is the AUTOOL machine, which combines ultrasonic cleaning with a specialized heating function for maximum carbon removal. It features digital pressure control and adjustable pulse widths, giving you precise command over how you analyze and clean your 4-cylinder injectors. The digital display makes it simple to toggle between 10 different test modes, ensuring every aspect of the injector's performance is verified before reinstallation. This machine is perfect for someone who wants a shop quality experience at home, as it works with all injector types, including high-pressure direct injection. Picture yourself setting the exact pulse count and watching the heating function dissolve carbon buildup that has been robbing your car of its original horsepower. It is a versatile tool that uses interchangeable adapters to fit almost any project you have waiting on your workbench. Moving on to number 5, we have the Royal Purple Max Atomizer, which is a highly concentrated synthetic pour-in treatment for your fuel tank. This 6-ounce bottle is engineered specifically to solve the unique carbon issues found in modern direct injection engines while also stabilizing ethanol-blended fuels. It is a fantastic option for the everyday driver who wants to restore fuel economy and maximize horsepower without taking the engine apart. Since it works in both gasoline and diesel engines, it is a versatile chemical tool to keep in your maintenance cabinet for all your vehicles. Simply pour it into a near-empty tank before a fill-up and let the synthetic formula clean your injectors while you drive down the highway. It is the easiest way to improve engine responsiveness and ensure your fuel system stays healthy over the long haul. At number 6, we find a non-dismantle fuel system cleaner kit that allows you to service your car without pulling the injectors out. This 1000 ml canister supports up to 150 psi and features a pressure relief valve, making it a safe and effective way to clean both injectors and throttle bodies. It is designed for gasoline cars and is perfect for the DIYer who wants a deep clean but is not comfortable with a full engine teardown. By connecting this directly to the fuel rail, you can run a specialized cleaning solution through the system while the engine is running. This process effectively flushes out contaminants and carbon deposits that have built up inside the fuel lines and the injectors themselves over time. It is a high-quality, practical solution for maintaining peak performance and fuel atomization in your daily driver. Heading into number 7, the EM276 set is a dedicated DIY testing and cleaning kit that focuses on diagnosing individual injector health. This tool operates injectors one by one to help you identify stuck, leaking, or burnt out units by connecting directly to your vehicle's 12V battery. It is specifically designed for petrol vehicles with electronic fuel injection and includes a pair of adapters and a convenient storage bag for organization. This is the right tool for the budget-conscious mechanic who needs to troubleshoot a specific cylinder misfire without buying an expensive, bulky machine. You can use the pulse signal to fire a gummed-up injector manually while spraying cleaner through the adapter to restore a proper flow pattern. It is a straightforward, no-nonsense kit that provides the 12 volts of power needed to snap stubborn injectors back to life. And finally, number 8 is the 1000 mml disassembly-free fuel injection system cleaner with a massive 20-piece adapter set. This comprehensive kit is one of the most versatile options for cleaning gasoline car throttle and intake systems because it fits so many different models. It features a large capacity canister and adjustable pressure settings, allowing you to tailor the cleaning process to your specific vehicle's manufacturer specs. This kit is perfect for someone who owns multiple cars and wants a single tool that can handle various fuel line sizes and connection types. The included guide helps you easily identify inlet and return hoses by looking for filters or flow arrows, which simplifies the setup process for beginners. By using this kit regularly, you can prevent carbon buildup from ever becoming a major issue, keeping your engine running smoothly for years. Check the links in the description below to find the best deals on all these fuel system tools. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest automotive reviews. Let me know in the comments which kit you are adding to your garage or what product you want us to review next. Stay safe on the road and keep those engines running clean.